Hi, Bracco family. My name is Perry Laterza, and I am a business and marketing teacher here at Lee Summit North High School. I have a degree in information technology from Missouri State University and a master's in leadership education from Avila University. I come to Lee Summit North via Northland CAPS, where I was a technology solutions instructor, and prior to that, I taught in Blue Valley for over 25 years as a business marketing and computer science teacher. My family is here in Kansas City. Well, half of them. My husband and I live here in Kansas City. My son and daughter-in-law and 7-month-old grandbaby live in Tucson, Arizona, and my son's an engineer out there. My daughter is a nurse practitioner, and she and her husband live here in Kansas City, and they are expecting their first baby in just a couple weeks, so I'm really excited about that. As far as the syllabus goes, everything will be posted on Schoology. Students, I'll put everything out there. You'll have a daily/weekly agenda. Everything will be out there. Everything will be linked out there. So if you happen to miss a day, you should be able to go to Schoology and see everything that you missed and keep up. I expect all my students to come ready to learn in class, have a good time, and be open to share their philosophy and their expertise in different areas, and just ready to have a good time and learn web design, marketing, personal finance, and some more of the technology stuff. If I need to get a hold of you, I will send an email out, and if it's an emergency, I will call and try to get a hold of you via phone. You feel free to email me at any time, and I will respond within 24 hours, hopefully sooner than that. I believe every student has the right to learn and can learn, and it's my duty as a teacher to get those students motivated and excited about learning whatever our subject is for that class and for that day, and just really excited to be here. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give me an email, and I will let you know and get back with you as soon as I can, and look forward to a great year and hopefully the entire year in person.